Hi everybody. Today discuss about the numerical problems of resistance. Previous IIT mains problems. The problems on the resistance. Okay. Now start now. First of all, a circuit. Circuit. Okay. This problem, previous problem, J mains problem. Find out the equivalent resistance between points here A and B. A and B. Now your answer is first option 57/7. Second option here 6 ohm. Third option 8 ohm. And fourth option 57/5. 57/5. Find the equivalent resistance given circuit in between points here A and B. A and B. So what is the equivalent resistance between points A and B. A and B of the network. Okay. Now find out the equivalent distance between A and B. First of all, in this circuit here, this one here open circuit. This is a open. Here this also open. Here this is one open. Okay. These open circuits here removing from the diagram. Removing from the diagram. Okay. First of all, this is the removing from the diagram. This also removing. This also removing. Okay. A resistance 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 4 ohm, 2 ohm, 1.8 ohm, 2.2 ohm, and 5 ohm. Okay. Now this circuit draw again. Okay. This is a this B, this A, 2 ohm, 3, this also 2 ohm, 4 ohm, okay, 1 ohm, 1.8, 2.2, this 5 ohm. Okay, this is the equivalent resistance here. This one here, this point here, for example, C point. This also same potential. This one here same potential C. These 1.48 ohm and 2.2 ohms, these are in series combination. So same potential. This is a same potential. So this one here short circuited. This one here short circuit from removing from the this circuit, from the this circuit here, this also removing here, same, this is a same potential, so short circuit. Okay, circuit, so this is a removing, so equivalent circuit of the this one here remaining. C point, this one here C point. Okay, this equivalent circuit B and A, B and A. Now these 2 ohms, this 3 ohm here, this one here 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 4 ohm. Okay, 3 ohm and 1 ohm series combination here, 3 and 1 series combination, 3 plus 1 4, the 4 resistance and 2 4, these are in totally this, once again minimizing. And see, this 5 ohm. Okay, and B 4 ohm, 2 4, this one 2, these are parallel combination, these are here parallel combination. So these 4 are the effective distance of the these 4 here, R is equal to here 2 into 4 into 4 by 4 to the 8 plus 2 4 the 8 plus 4 4 the 16, 4 4 the 16, that is equal to 8 is common, 1 plus 1 plus 2 here, 8 4 to the 8, this one here cancel, this one here cancel, remaining 4 by 1 plus 1 plus 2 4, that is equal to 1 ohm, 1 ohm. This is equal to here 1 ohm. So final circuit here, A to here terminal A 2 ohm, this one here 1 ohm and 5 ohm, these are parallel series combination, these are here series combination. Finally this network here A here 1, this one here 5. Okay, the terminals of the this circuit A and B 2 ohm, this one 1 ohm, this 5 ohm. So these are in series combination, so total sum of the these values here 2 plus 1 plus 5, that is equal to 8, that is equal to 8 ohm. So finally the effective distance between here A and B here, answer is 8 ohm. So here answer is here 8 ohm. So this is a given circuit. The total effective distance of the this circuit is equal to 8 ohm. Okay, note this one. Next one, previous problem, second problems here. A ring of resistance here, R of radius small r. Find out the effective distance of the given circuit in between 2 points. 2 points means here this is a circuit ring, this is a ring. Okay, this one here ring, this is a ring. So 2 points here, 2 points For example, this is a one point, A point, this point here, for example, B point. This portion subtending an angle alpha at the center, subtending an angle alpha at the center. This is a alpha. This one here alpha. These 2 points. Okay. Find the resistance of the this wire. This the resistance of the this ring here. For example, R. The total resistance of this ring R. Okay. Total resistance of the ring here R. Find the effective distance between points here A and B. Find the effective distance between points here A and B. Here first one 4 R by 5 square into 2 5 minus alpha. Second option 2 5 into 2 5 alpha into 2 minus, for example, alpha. Third option 5 by 4 5 square by R alpha into 2 5 minus alpha. Fourth option R alpha by 4 5 square into alpha minus 2 5 minus alpha. Now find out the effective distance between points here A and B. First of all, this one, the portion AB, portion this one here alpha, this is alpha. The remaining angle here, this remaining angle here 2 5 minus alpha, 2 5 minus alpha, this remaining angle, this alpha. First this portion here, for example, this portion L1, this portion L2, this portion here L2, this portion 1 here L1. The total distance or the resistance of the portion AB, this AB portion, for example A, B, C, this D. Then the resistance of portion A, C, B, ACB portion. Then R1 is equal to total distance by circumference of the circle ring into the DL portion. DL means here nothing but DL, nothing but here L1. Okay, L1. Here this is alpha, this arc A, B. Okay, this one here L, D, L1. Radius of the here circle here R, radius of the circle here R. Angle alpha is equal to arc. Arc means here L by radius R. So portion L1 is equal to R alpha. This substituting in here, the distance of the portion A, B, R1 is equal to R by 2 5 R into L1 is equal to R alpha. So R get cancelled. So R1 is equal to R by 2 5 alpha. This equation 1. This equation, for example, 1. The remaining portion of the ring here ADB. Remaining portion ADB. Okay. This the distance of the remaining portion is R2. R2 is equal to total distance by 2 circumference of the ring into angle. Angle here, remaining angle 2 5 minus alpha. 2 5 minus alpha. So L1 theta into here alpha means nothing but here 2 5 minus alpha into R. Okay. This equation 2. This equation 2. Now find the effective distance of the ring. Here these two R1 and R2 combination, parallel combination. So here R1 and R2 or parallel combination. Okay, parallel combination. So effective resistance, for example, R prime is equal to R1 R2 by total resistance R1 plus R2. Okay, this is equation 3. The effective distance of the here ring R prime is equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Here these two equations, equation 1 and equation 2, substituting in equation 3. After now we get here R prime is equal to R1 R alpha by 2 phi into R2 where is here R into 2 phi minus alpha by, so cancel terms here. Okay, R will get cancelled by 2 phi by R1 plus R2, R1 plus R2, R alpha by 2 phi plus R into 2 phi minus alpha by here 2 phi. Okay, simplifying this one here, simplifying denominator here same, 2 phi here same. So this one here simplies R prime is equal to R into R square alpha into 2 phi minus alpha by 2 phi into 2 phi 4 phi square, 4 phi square by this term remain reverse into 2 phi denominator here same by R alpha plus here this one R into 2 phi minus alpha, 2 phi minus alpha. So 2 phi 5 ones get cancelled, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, that is equal to R prime is equal to R square, total distance R square is total distance of the circuit ring alpha into 2 phi minus alpha by here R alpha plus R into 2 phi minus R alpha, R alpha plus R into 2 phi, 2 phi R minus plus into minus here minus R alpha, R alpha. Here remaining terms into here remaining 2 phi, remaining here some 2 phi. Okay, here positive value is R alpha, here negative R alpha. Simplies effective distance of the ring R alpha is equal to R square alpha into 2 phi minus alpha by here 2 phi into remaining term 2 phi R, 2 phi R, 2 phi into 2 phi 4 phi scale, here R ones cancel, R ones cancel. So answer here remaining effective distance of the ring in between points A and B, R prime is equal to R alpha into remaining 2 phi minus alpha by here 2 phi into 2 phi 4 phi scale, 4 phi scale. This is the answer of the ring, the portion in between A and B. So answer is R alpha into 2 phi minus alpha by 4 phi square. Here answer R alpha, R alpha, R alpha. So this is a not answer. Okay, this is not 4 phi. This also run R alpha 2 phi minus alpha by 4 phi. This is the answer. This one here answer. Okay, thank you.